Yeah, my guys, my friends, rich-minded skills. As I'm talking here, Joe Billion's the owner of the channel, which is called Rich-Minded Skills. And today, I just also want to show you just simple accounts, two accounts. My last week account whereby I trade and I make a withdraw in MT4. As you can see, this one is MT4. This one is an MT4 account. This one is an MT4 account, as you can see, MT4 account. This one, an MT4 account, and also I just want to show you. Also an MT5 account, which we are just using. We are just going with it like this. We just put one pair like that, 0.5, and just want to show you like this one. Yeah, I just want to show you all these so as you can understand. To this one, do not let me do something here. Just want to show you different things. As you can see, all this is the account of, and the history of this account is this one. Let me start with today. Today is the 1st of July, and we make a profit of 312. Yeah, and I do not withdraw anything. And last week from 24th to 24th of June up to date, which is the 1st of July 2024, we just can go here and see, and we make a profit of 752, and deposit was that one. Just withdraw only 100, and the swap was that one, and the trades are the way you see. Yeah, so this one was just like the way you see it, but we are in profit. Yeah, no loss. Then we come again last month, and you can see the deposit of that, because the increasing of everything. We deposited, like you see that we deposited 3,000 and that one, and we get a profit of 2,480, and we have withdrawn 2,919, and the remaining is, the balance is 2,611.97. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Yeah, we, as you can see, we do it to make a withdrawal of 1,000. We deposit it, then the account is just like that one. So all these we're just making like this one, and then if we come to 3 months, also the same like the way you see. So I just want to show this account so as you can see that we are not playing games here. We are always just making what we can make, so as everything is just going good as we go. As the way you see this trade, we just place this one. Yeah, so as we just hold it and we make something comes upon us. As you can see, all these are the trades we've been taken. Like all these are the trades we've been taken. I always like to use this dim, some dark. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, this is how everything is just going here. And then if you come to this MT4 here and we check out, then we deposit this 600, then we get a profit of 2,286. 2,286. If you come to a calculator, 2,286 minus the one we deposited was 604. So we get a profit of 1,682, less than a week, rather than a week. And then when you convert this to my currency, now exchange rate is this one. We made a lot of money, 4,005,500,000, 41,400. Like the way you see it, that's how we made it. That's the profit. So then we withdraw everything. Then when you come to this empty, when you come to empty, and also when you come up to this one, this account, this empty 4, I will just go to empty 5. This one is an empty 5. We come to empty 5. We have withdrawn 2,919. 2,000. Let me remove this. 2,919. Yeah, plus that one was 1,600, plus 1,600 and point. So we have made something like that one in less than a month. This just an account for 3 weeks. We have some 2 accounts, we have 4 accounts, 3, 5 accounts. Then we do something bigger. So this is how we do it, and always we are making it. And now we have an account. We have made that, and we have withdraw 2,919, and also we have a capital of 2,611, right? Yeah, so for now I just play this so as just to let it go. I just let it go. I don't even go with everything, though. I just let it go because I am sure of my old tradings while I'm using my indicators, use the robot, use everything. So I get a good experience so as I understand all some things. But in trading, always we have to lose some losses whereby we are in and we can afford them, because we understand sometimes market goes against accordingly, because this is a business. Even if it is not forex, even if you are just selling cars, you're just selling selling whatever you sell, but rather than it's a business, there is some challenges are there, and you can get, sometimes you get a profit which you want to get, and sometimes you get some losses where you don't decide to get them or whatever. But when we just decide to go to inside this account, you can just see sometimes we come in losses. Like here we withdraw 300, I withdraw, and then we get some losses of 2, and then 256 and what. But we get a loss inside our profit. That means that we do not have any loss, but we have a loss inside the profit, because sometimes the market reverse are going not according to how we planned it. But as you can see, we just get a lot more than what we lose. Here we withdraw 200, withdraw 300. After making this 240, as you can see, we lose 25, but we get 96, 37, 9, 147, right? We get here 28. So our profit are more than the losses. That's what we are talking about. This is the reality. This is the reality. That's why you can see the deposit can be seen in 3 months, in 3 weeks ago. The deposit can be seen 3,011 and 112, but the withdrawal is true. It is just like as it's just let's say it is just like we have withdrawn all our profit, and then we are still in the profit, because when you take this 2,611 plus the withdrawal profit, you can just take 2,600 and 11 plus this is the balance, plus the one with the 2,919 is 5,000, and minus this minus the one you just seen, like we deposit 3,112. So we have made 2,418 in profit in just one, in that one. That's with only one account. Second account, third account, 5 account. Then we do something amazing. This is how everything is just going, and we made it. Yeah. If you just divide this, you check this and divide it to 30 days, let's say divide it in 26, that means that in each account I made each and every day in 5 days, or in trading we made 93 US dollars in one account. And then if you check if I have for instance, I have 9 accounts in different, I do different trading. And then let's say the minimum is this, then take this, like, let's just start times 5. This in 5 plus times 5 days just comes this. And then if you times this times 26, you get this 60. So making money in Forex just need calculation, and you understand what is just going there. So I'm just inviting you to make sure you invest in learning and understanding, even if you are using the robot and all the strategies I'm showing you here. Make sure you understand all the rules and know what you are making, so as you can be more profitable and more profitable and profitable, so as you can just be there making money every time you go in the market. And if you get a loss, make sure the loss you make is just out of your capital. So that's why I come up with all these strategies. I come with indicators because of just fighting on how to get improvement, on how to make a consistent profit every time, every day we come in market, and we do so many things and we get profit, because everyone is just looking for a profit. So I'm just inviting you to I'm just telling you, just take your time, watch the videos, get the real tools like Tinga robot, Mansa Musa robot, GPRS robot. But all the robots, make sure you know the sniper entry. Is this the entry given by this robot is right? What can make you to know that is right is when you use the tools like rich-minded indicator, price and action, also demand and supply indicator from rich-minded. And also after that you confirm and you differentiate between the false signals and the real signals. And if you want to understand, if you're a day trader, a scalper, or whatever, you have to know all those things, so as you can know what to and where you want to go, right? So this is rich-minded. If you are interested in any robot and any other tools, I have given an offer for to these my clients who have have the Mansa Musa or the GPRS or whatever, the Tinga, to come and just take this offer for these indicators, and then join and get a good thing, and make sure